Welcome to Kente TV. My name is George and this is Campus Vox. Today's question, Bestsellers Association of UG. Is it good? Is it bad? We'll get people's opinions on it. Let's get right into it. Bestsellers Association of UG. We've all heard the stories, we've all heard the rumors, but what is your opinion about the whole matter?
You see, I don't think I'm cool with it. Personally, I don't think I'm cool with it. Because how can you get a bed at maybe 1,500 and then you be selling it at 6,000, 5,000 when people are like fee paying students, and then how can the person afford to get it? At least they should reduce it, maybe 300 to this increment is okay, or maybe 500 increment. But it's all good. The person is also making sales. Someone also gets it, wants to purchase it. Someone who is in need of it would want to get it. So I don't think it's that bad. But personally, I wouldn't go for it.
Interesting.
It's actually not right because you selling a bed to someone, it's kind of weird because when it gets to a point where the reporters have to come around and asking for details to show that you are a resident of the hall, it's going to be hard for you to prove that you are a resident of the hall since you don't have your name in the system. You get it? So that's actually not cool. Very, very. I've actually been a victim. So I've actually been a victim. So I won't actually urge someone to do it or to be in that same position because it's not cool. Because last year like this I had to jump for and all that. It's a whole lot of stress. So it's better to get a place, if not on campus, off campus, get somewhere to just lay your head and just focus on your studies. It's not necessarily supposed to be like you being on campus, but you having the peace of mind to learn and all that, and not going through all the stress.
Bestsellers Association of UG. What are the rumors you've heard? What are the stories? What's your opinion on the thing?
Well, I think it's not really a big deal. Yeah, that's what I think. Because people might be in need of bed, like people from far away and stuff. So I don't really think it's a big deal. So if someone is selling a bed to another person, like if I have acquired a bed and I'm selling to you, I think it's a normal thing. It's an agreement between you and I. So I don't see why porters or anyone should come confronting them why they are in the room or something. Because I have sold a bed to you. It's in my name, but you're on my bed, so it's cool.
Okay. So for me, well, there are people, students who pitch with their friends, and I think it's good to some extent. It's okay. Well, it depends on the motive. Or let's say, okay, I have the money to pay for an hostel. I've taken the money, but I'm a friend or something, and well, I need the money to have this line of business I want to start or something, but I have no capital. Well, I can probably talk to you. Okay, this is the issue on ground. I want to start this business. I'll give you okay. When the interest or something comes, the profit comes. This one I'm going to share. I'll give you this part, this portion, this percentage. But on this condition, I want to pitch with you, so I can use that money to finance the business. So in that scenario, it's okay. But in the case where okay, I'm going to pitch with you, but let's spend the money on girls. Let's spend the money on this. Let's spend in that instance. Well, it's with that person, it might be okay for that person, depending on the caliber of the person. It might be okay, well, it's okay. But in the natural sense, okay, this is not something that's okay. But with respect to authorities too, when okay, a place like Pens like this, when they see that oh we are patching, it's actually something that the porters don't like. Yes, so always have to maneuver your way in and out and stuff. So with that one, it's a little bit of risk. So by either using the money for an intended purpose or maybe something that is going to generate something for you in the long run, well, you overlook or overshadow all those kind of risk and just take that thing. But if it's not something that's necessary or anything, at the end when you are caught or something, one, you've lost the money because you spent it. Two, you are going to be sacked out or something. You're going to be sacked out. Yes, definitely. So yeah, that's my view on the pitch.
Now, these were the opinions of the people here on campus. Now I want to hear your opinions down in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to Kente TV. So until next time.